What's up all? Today we've got an interesting one as we look at Meguiars Whole Car Air Refresher. Now before I get into it, I'm going to let that little graphic pop up that says to subscribe, so please do it. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me a lot. And like and comment because that just helps the algorithm. Now, that out of the way, we're looking at the Whole Car Air Refresher from Meguiars. Now, it says that it's an Odor Eliminator Mist. It's permanent odor elimination with an asterisk. Now, if you look at the asterisk, it says, Meguiars Refresher technology permanently removes existing bad odors through chemical bonding at a molecular level. So we are going molecular. Basically, it finds odors wherever they are and it's a one-time use. So you'll put it in the middle of your car, it'll blow up like a bomb, you let the car recirculate it through the air vents, and hopefully that should remove the odor forever, hopefully. So that's what I'm curious to test out, whether it does last long and also how strong it's going to be after, because you let it sit there for about 10-15 minutes. So it might be quite strong, but maybe that's good to definitely get rid of the odors forever. So I'll show you the box and then we'll leave the GoPro in the car just so you can see the mist just going everywhere, and then afterwards come back and show you what it's like. All right, it's time to stink up this car. Now we've got the new car scent that I can smell here. It also comes in a few others, but not an awful lot. So just a few little options for you to decide what your car is going to smell like. As you can see, permanent odor elimination. Now here is the little graphic that I was telling you about. It's the traditional odor removers versus the Meguiars. It basically just says how it goes through the ventilation system across the headliner and just does a more thorough job than its competitors, supposedly. Now on this side, it just says easy as 1, 2, 3, remove, recycle, refresh. That is what we're doing today. So on the back, start the vehicle with the fan set on high. Make sure it's on circulating cold air. So that's one of the most important things. Click that little button that circulates. That way it's going to move around and through the vehicle. Now with the nozzle facing up away from you, activate the little thing on the top. Click it and then put it in the center of the car. Leave it there for 15 minutes, then open all the doors for 15 minutes and then turn off the vehicle and let the air out. So that is the process. Now, if you look at the item itself, it is just a little thing like this. There is a bigger size. Unfortunately, I did not get that one. So here it is. And then you will open it. Okay, once you take the little lid off, you basically just hit that and the mist will just start pouring out. So once you hit that, I'm going to place it right here, just on top of the center console. It does say on the box to place it, where does it say? It says to put it on the floor between the front and the back seats. Now, I don't know what you define as the floor between the front and the back seats, potentially down there, but I just don't think that's going to get the best results. I'd rather just have it in the middle here on the center console. That way it will go up and recirculate all around the vehicle. So let's put it on and let it do its thing. All right, so it's been 15 minutes with the doors shut and the car on. Now, oh, that is strong. So now we're going to leave it for 15 minutes with the car on, the aircon circulating on full, and just with the doors open for 15 minutes. And we're back after finishing everything that this little box told us to do. So we put it in, undid the clip, let it go off for about 15 minutes while the doors were closed and the aircon was circulating with the car on. Then after 15 minutes, opened the doors, still kept the car on, let the aircon circulate with the doors open, and then let it for another 10 minutes with the vehicle off just to let the air out. Now, it smells really good in here, first off, way better than before. I had a bit of a musty smell. It wouldn't go away. I tried different air fresheners, Glen 20, all those things. And now, so far, I mean, this is sort of just fresh, but it's pretty strong smell. So I'm probably gonna let it air out for a bit more, I think, as I start to circulate the aircon over the next few days and weeks, that will help it as well, because the smell is quite there, but it's very sharp. It's a very crisp smell, and I've got the new car scent, and it definitely does smell exactly like the box says. So hopefully it got rid of odors on a molecular level, which is the goal. Now when I put it in and I sort of clipped it so it could release the mist, I was watching it and the mist would only be released for about a minute and a half. So a minute 20 seconds, about 90 seconds, and then the other 15 minutes is just it's circulating. But you see it go up, and then the aircon just pushes it back and around through the car. So don't be worried that it only lasts about a minute, because that's just the mist coming out. Now I'm probably going to let the car air out for a bit longer. So do 15 car on, 15 car off, 15 doors open, and then probably just leave it for another, I reckon another 10-15 minutes, just to let it air out, because it is still strong. But so far, it smells really good. I don't know how it's going to be in the future. Let's see how long it lasts. Stay tuned for that. But so far, it seems pretty good. So there is the Meguiars Whole Car Air Refresher Bomb. Hope this was of some use to you, helped you figure out how to use it, and also if you're going to get one for your car, because it would do a lot better job than just the little tree air freshener. And it is worth it if you've got a smell that you want to get rid of. Maybe you don't want to do a full detail or a steam clean. This could be the solution if you don't need that full treatment of the steam clean and detail, and could save you a lot of money as well. So there it is. Thanks for watching if you have made it this far, and stay tuned for more videos.